I'm recording this video to be benefit for everybody has van model 2003 Ford 150E. Recently that the turn signal and hazard did not work, just the light stay on and does not blink. I called some expert. They said that the flashlight has to be replaced. It takes me really a long time to find where is the flasher at until finally I have located and replaced it. Just to show you in a brief, this is where you can take this out, and it has about 3 holes and 3 holes over here to unmounting it. And down there, just behind the fuse box, you can see that the flasher was mounted over here. I pull it out and I replace it with this is the new one, and the flasher is work, the hazard as well. Okay, this is the old flasher. This is the old flasher, and it has just edges or bracket, just to be replaced and mount over here. I hope this video will be benefit for everybody, and I hope everybody to pass it, for benefit. Thank you.